Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm Scott, this is Carla. You're watching Tito the African Gray. Tito's not with us today because we're down here in Lawrenceville, Georgia at Gwinnett County Fairgrounds for the Exotic Bird Expo. So we're going to take you inside, show you around, and we might even buy another bird, don't know yet, or buy some toys for Tito. Alright folks, so we got some conures right here.
Look at the little micro squirrel she's got.
You got a micro squirrel?
Yeah, look at it.
So, mind if I put you on camera?
Look at how small it is. I've never
Here
seen
folks, you have a micro squirrel.
It's so cute.
Want to hold him?
I held him already.
There you go. Cute.
A little conure.
Yep. Sun conures. All kinds of little birds here. We got conures, $500. Cockatoos. Got budgies here, $160. Get some little birds here. There's the Lord. So this is it, y'all, the Exotic Bird Expo. As you can see, they got all kinds of birds here. This place is pretty spacious. Pretty spacious. Hasn't filled up just yet. It's only 9 a.m. so. But we're gonna look around and take you with us. You got your finches. Herb parrot. Oh, this one's pretty.
That one's pretty.
And folks, here at the Exotic Bird Expo, you can purchase a bird here too. All these birds are for sale. We'll get around here to the larger parrots. Folks, here you got an Amazon for $800. Check him out.
Aw, I don't have enough room in here.
Yeah, these are display cages, y'all. I'm sure they don't keep them in these for all the time. But this guy looks sweet. I'll have a scarlet macaw, dude. What do you say, 3,800?
3,800.
3,800, not a bad price at all. He's a sweet guy. Very, very sweet. You think Tito would like him? Y'all put it in the comments below. What do you think? Hi. Hi there. Hi. Beautiful birds. Yeah. Want to go back on your cage? So folks, as you can see, I already saw one scarlet macaw that I'd be interested in. We're going to check out some more of these birds. See what we see. $3,800 though for that scarlet macaw. That's really not a bad price. 7 years old. Very tame, very nice. So folks, we got a couple blue and golds over here.
Hi. Hi.
Beautiful birds. The gentleman said we can't hold these because he got 2 males and a female, and when he put them all together, they went back to their wild side. So Beautiful birds though. He's asking $2,000 for a blue and gold. So as you can see, these bird expos, you can find a lot of good birds for relatively good prices. They got Pioneers here. Got some Amazons. Got your Amazons. Got some Pioneers. All right, let's check it out.
This one's tired already.
Oh, there's an African gray. There's Tito's buddy. There's Tito's buddy.
He's wider than Tito.
There's an African gray. As Carla just pointed out, y'all, he's got a more lighter shade of gray on him. He's a Congo African gray. But as you can see, not all African grays are the same. And this is a prime example. He's a lighter shade of grays than Tito is.
Hello. Hi.
Hi there.
See that guy right here?
Hi.
He's a Florida gentleman. He looks like he's 21 right now and coming beating us.
Got some beautiful birds down here, y'all. Look, look.
Hi. You gonna talk to me now? Hi.
And I told him, I was like, then my daughter said,
Lots more to see here at the Bird Expo. Having a good time though. Y'all, here we got some baby cockatoos.
174.
Okay.
90. Okay, fill this out for me. 174.90.
On here.
We got baby cockatoos, and baby green cheek conure babies. Sorry for being so close up on camera, y'all. I'm trying, hopefully you can hear me. But here's the babies. Hey y'all, over here we got breeder boxes. We got all sorts of breeder boxes. The nice thing about these expos, y'all, is you can come down here and actually put a face to the name of the breeder. So you know you're not getting scammed because you're meeting them one-on-one. You get to see their birds. And if you don't buy here, you can contact them later on and get yourself a bird, which we may do. Not sure if I like that scarlet macaw, y'all. I really did. We just met some fans of the channel. That was nice. They just bought themselves a cockatiel and 2 parakeets. Come here. Come here. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Go. Come here. Try that again. Let's try that again. I'll get a better grip on you. There you go.
What is it?
There's a blue throat macaw, y'all. How much was he?
that's a female.
$6,500. It's female. Hi. And she is precious. She is precious, huh? Yes, you are, huh? Hi. Hi. What y'all think? Think Tito would like her? I do, huh? I do. What's up, baby?
He rode on my shoulder all the way here.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah.
I bet. The blue throat macaw, y'all.
And she is smart.
And she is precious. Y'all, this guy wanted to be on camera, y'all. Beautiful birds, y'all. These are blue and golds, and then you got the blue throat. And the blue throat's unique because of the blue on the face on the throat there. Hence the name blue throat macaw. As you can see, it's a pretty good crowd. It's picking up. We got in here early, so the crowd's picking up. Hey y'all, You said 4 months.
4 months.
This is a 4-month-old hand-fed blue and gold macaw. Yeah, I'm not going to give you food.
She's pretty.
You're thinking I'm going to give you food. I'm not. She's a baby, y'all. She's so young, she don't even really know to bite yet. Such a sweetheart. Put you back on your perch. Okay. Okay. There you go.
Said you're furry like her.
Maybe not. Go ahead. They got, they're calling it a flame macaw. I've never heard that before, but they're asking $3,900. So it's a flame macaw. It's half green wing and half Catalina, so they're calling it flame macaw. I've never heard that term before. 10 to 15 years old. Doesn't step up, talks, is fearful. $3,900. Then they got Congo African Gray, 6,000. 1-year-old male. We got some Amazons. Got some more macaws. We got military macaw back there for $3,700, y'all. I don't know if you can see him. He's back there in the distance. As you can see, if you're looking to get yourself a bird of any sort, Exotic Bird Expos are good to come to. You can meet breeders. You can see a variety of different birds. They even sell mixes of seed. These are all the seeds, treats. This table all the way across and around is all seed mixes and different treats for your birds. I'm sorry for the motion in the camera, y'all. I'm trying to show it all and give you some information as well as trying to make it so you can hear me. So I'm holding it very close to me. I apologize for that. It's pretty loud in here, as you can see. They got different supplies, dishes, cage dishes. There's actually a lot here. It don't look like much because it's such a big area, but they got cages over here. Variety of cages. This cage right here, $300. Okay. I wouldn't recommend this cage though, for one reason. This latch right here, your parents are gonna figure that out real easy. Gonna figure it out real easy and open that cage. And all these cages seem to have that latch, as you can see. But if you want an inexpensive cage, and you could probably put a latching mechanism on it or lock or something, hold it, $180. Apparently they make these cages, they're all identical with the latches mechanism. This is a relatively good sized cage right here. Could house a macaw in it. But again, I don't recommend it because the latching mechanism's on it. But Carla's over here at the toys, y'all, so let me go check out some toys for Tito. Got perches. Variety of perches here. The screw on the side of the cage.
I like this.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Tito go through that though.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, Tito go through that. They got all kinds of toys though, y'all. We'll look and see what toys they got for Tito here. Got some heavy duty metal bell, probably be good for a macaw. Tito won't mess with that. And they got, you can literally make this at home, y'all. It's cardboard. And what are they asking for this? They're asking $15. It's just cardboard. Tito would eat that up in probably an hour's time, couple hours. It'd be gone. Again, when y'all looking for toys for your parrots, be mindful of the harmful items like this plastic rings. This whole toy is wood and chain, and you got the plastic rings. I would probably take these links, the plastic links, off it, just because I don't want my Tito to ingest plastic. But there are different toys, like this one here. This would be a good one. Again though, these plastic pieces, I would get rid of that. I don't like giving Tito plastic toys or toys with any kind of plastic. Again, they got these swinging perches that you can hang from the ceiling. Everything about them is great until you get to the plastic, y'all. Then I cut that off. They've got measuring spoons. Some people like to do that. A lot of these toys are geared towards bigger parrots. Tito probably won't mess with half of these. I haven't seen nothing yet that Tito would actually really enjoy. Maybe get him a swing perch, I don't know. This is actually $17. And what I like about this is the cage part of it. You can put treats in there and they can forage. That's not bad. I've seen these on Amazon for a lot more money. But we'll walk around here, check it out, and see if we can't find Tito something. Hey y'all, there you have it. The Exotic Bird Expo here at Gwinnett County Fairgrounds in Lawrenceville, Georgia. It was fun. We got to see some birds that you don't usually see, such as the blue-throated macaw. And some really nice birds in there, man. Some really good prices. These expos, you can find a pretty good deal and some pretty nice birds, as well as cages and supplies for your parrots or whatever have you. But hey, if you like this video, put it in the comments below. Let us know what you thought of the Exotic Bird Show, or if you even attended one this weekend. Put it in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, we're glad you're here. Hit that subscribe button, that like button, and look forward to more videos from Tito and more parrot adventures with us. I'm Scott, this is Carla, and you're watching Tito the African Gray. Thanks for watching.